Ready to experience Govee AI lighting? With the introduction of CogniGlow, Govee is bringing neural processing units to the field of ambient smart lighting. CogniGlow is Govee's in-house AI recognition technology that can intelligently recognize on-screen events. CogniGlow is trained with over 100,000 images of each event, leading to 99% recognition accuracy, highlighting your epic gaming moments and creating fun-filled family movie nights. Tell AI Lighting Bot what you need. The bot will use numerous algorithms to match your ideal scenery. Apply it to your Govee lights for more creative exploration. Now, it's easier to synchronize AI lighting effects to create a smarter light show. Govee AI, the future of smart lighting, is here.